Hey Realtors, if you're still using paper sign-in sheets for your open houses, you're probably missing out on leads. In this video, I'm going to show you the best open house app, SignSnap Home, to use to help optimize your open houses in 2025. It's a modern digital sign-in solution that helps you capture every guest, put a face to the name, and make sure you're not missing out on more leads due to messy handwriting. Here's how easy it is to create a sign-in sheet with SignSnap Home. So I'll start by going to the website. I already have an account here, so I'm not going have to sign up or anything, but I'll log in my existing account real quick. Okay, so once you're in here, you're going to see this dashboard. You're not going to have a sheet here, but I've already made one, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to make another one real quick. So we'll just go 456 Main Lane for now, put in your price point here, set the date and time that you're hosting your open house or event. Let's do that for now. Here's where you can customize and change all of the options for your open house sign-in sheet. So if you want to add new fields for getting feedback for your seller, you can go ahead and do that. So we can just go ahead and add something here, and we will do, what would you rate the house? And then we can continue going on. But this right here is just going to really help optimize your open house sign-in sheets because you're no longer going to be dealing with messy handwriting and things like that. It also has built-in follow-up templates, so you're no longer going to be worried about what you're going to send to each person. You can all customize that right here. So I'll just go ahead and create this sheet for now, and then we'll go right into the live view here, just so you can see what your open house guests are going to see. So you can see start sign-in. You saw that capturing there for a bit. Go ahead and fill out my information. You can see certain fields are skippable. And it's gonna filter out phone numbers as well, so people can't just enter all zeros or anything like that for you. You can see our first customizable questions here. Are you currently working with an agent? I'll go yes, just so you can see how that follow-up question works, because now it's gonna ask me, did I sign a buyer agreement? I'll go no. And you can think about why that would be important to you as an agent. I'm going to skip the email for now. And you can see our other question that we added. How did you rate the house? I'll give it a 4. And now I've been signed in. Now if we jump back in, we're going to go to our submissions for that. And you're going to see all the information that was entered if they're working with an agent and stuff. And we can see that it captures a photo of them as well. I'll also just show off briefly the follow-up action, so you can follow up immediately from here. If you're on a phone, tablet, iPad, or anything like that, you're going to be able to call, add these contacts directly to your phone or device. It's going to transfer directly over from your open house sign-in sheet directly to whatever CRM and stuff you want to use as well, because we can connect this and sync directly to our CRM via Zapier. Or we could just send follow-up messages and templates directly from this. Go into our all submissions. You'll see similar information, but this is going to just give us a clearer view. We can customize all of our columns here. Another awesome thing that makes this really the best open house app is the full customization. So if we go into our appearance settings here, you can see we change all of our colors that we want. We can add custom logos, and all of that stuff is going to be saved now. If we go back into our sign-in sheet, we go to our dashboard, live view. Now we can see the colors are here, and if I were to add a logo and all of that stuff, it would be added there. Another great feature about SignSnap Home, and why it's not only a great open house sign-in sheet, but it's also an incredible analytics tool to help drive your real estate business. So if we go into the analytics here, we're going to see that we have some information. We're going to see leads by the day of the week, by the price point, which events were performing the best. We're going to get insight to who had agreements, who didn't, and all of that stuff. So it's really just going to give you better insight to where you should be hosting your open houses, what price point's working the best for you and providing you the most qualified leads. And then we'll just go into quickly here the team management features, because if you're on a team or if you're a team leader, you're going to be able to invite new team members here and all of that stuff. Also, you're going to be able to control the Zapier webhook for their digital sign-in sheet, which will allow them to send all of their leads that they capture directly into your team CRM, which is a great feature as well. Of course, there's discounted pricing for teams where you're paying less per seat than a solo agent would. Though I would say we covered pretty much most of the features as to why this is the best digital sign-in sheet in 2025. Fully customizable, it authenticates emails and phone numbers of your guests, it takes photos of your guests, really is just going to help streamline and optimize your open house flow. If you guys have any questions or comments on features that you would like to see in a digital open house sign-in sheet, drop them down below. We're always interested in how to optimize open houses for ourselves here. And leave a comment, like, and subscribe if this helped, and we'll be dropping more content in the future.